SmartDraw makes professional drawings and diagrams accessible to everyone. Non-technical users can quickly create floor plans without training, while professionals get the precision and scale they require. With industry-leading floor planning tools, strong data integrations, and an intuitive interface for traditional diagramming, SmartDraw delivers enterprise-ready power without unnecessary complexity. SmartDraw makes it easy to create accurate scaled diagrams without requiring specialized CAD training, create floor plans for both residential and commercial spaces, make accident reconstructions and crime scenes, build fire pre-plans, and design landscapes easily. Your team doesn't need to be experts to get expert results. While SmartDraw makes creating floor plans easy, you can skip that step and import an existing floor plan as a PDF or start with a Google Maps image to serve as the foundation for a new drawing. SmartDraw has thousands of industry-standard symbols to build anything from commercial floor plans and warehouse layouts to accident reconstructions and fire pre-plans. You can truly customize any floor plan using your own product catalog. Import symbols, apply scale, and add shape data. With SmartDraw, you can turn ordinary diagrams into data-driven plans by attaching structured information to every symbol. Teams can count items automatically and generate visual manifests and summaries on demand for estimates, proposals, purchasing, or documentation. Support your entire organization with flowcharts, organizational charts, mind maps, project charts, technical engineering diagrams, IT diagrams, and more. SmartDraw works hand in glove with your existing IT infrastructure without disruption to maximize what you've already invested in. You can provision users with single sign-on, save files to your own preferred storage solution, and enjoy enterprise-level security. And as an enterprise customer, you will have your own dedicated support rep for onboarding, training, and more.